Every creator dreams of creating a cinematic video, and Filmora offers many tools and features for this purpose. In this video, we will discuss those tools and features. Keep watching! Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. In our previous video, we discussed what cinematic means and the elements required to make your video cinematic. Today, I will discuss effortless color grading in Filmora. Let's get started. First on our list is filters. Filmora provides a variety of filters suitable for all types of videos and for different cameras. Whether you are creating daily vlogs, travel videos, cinematic pieces, commercials, or educational content, there's a filter for you. On the left side of the interface, you'll find subfolders for each category, including cinematic filters to give your videos a cinematic feel, portrait filters for daily vlogs, and retro filters for a nostalgic look, among others. Now, let's explore how to apply these filters in your video. Place the footage onto the timeline. We'll be transforming this footage into a cinematic piece. Select a filter from the cinematic folder. Feel free to choose filters that suit your video. For a unique color grading, you can combine multiple filters. In our example, we will use Sunlit Siesta, Blue Bear, and Cine Rich. Combining these three filters will enhance the cinematic quality of your video. Next, go to the effect settings and apply the filter opacity as needed. You can also use the Protect Skin Tone slider to prevent excessive color correction on skin tones. Finally, here's a comparison of the footage before and after applying the filters. Be sure to check out more footage that has been color graded with these filters. Second on our list is presets. One of the easiest ways to give your footage a cinematic look is by using the presets offered by Filmora. There are 29 different types of presets available, allowing you to instantly transform the appearance of your footage with just one click. Let's see how to use the preset on your footage. Place the footage onto the timeline, then go to the Colors tab. You'll get a preset option. Hover the mouse cursor over the preset to see the instant preview. Then select the preset to apply and transform your footage. Third on our list is LUTs. LUTs, or lookup tables, are tools used in video editing to modify the colors in an image or video. A LUT consists of a set of mathematical instructions that automatically remap the colors in a video to a new palette. This can involve adjustments to contrast, saturation, gamma, luminance, and hue. In Filmora, you can use preloaded LUTs or you can upload LUTs from your computer. Let's see how to use LUTs in Filmora 14. Place the footage onto the timeline, then go to the Color tab. Under Preset, you will get an option of LUTs. From the drop-down list, you can select the preloaded LUTs. If you want to add LUTs from your computer, click on Add. Select the LUT of your choice. Then, with the help of the Strength slider, you can adjust the LUT intensity. And with the Protect Skin Tone slider, you can protect the skin tone from excessive color. With these three tools, you can do cinematic color grading with just a few clicks. Don't forget to download or update your Filmora version using the link in the description. If you found it helpful, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. If you're interested in visual effects and tutorials, check out filmora.wondershare.com. See you in the next video.